The Maintenance Training Cooperative, also known as the MTC Scholarship, was established in 1994 by a group of Nevada mines and Great Basin College to train individuals interested in starting a career in the technical trades. The Maintenance Training Cooperative continues to partner with GBC to offer selected students a $5,000 scholarship and a paid internship to help launch their careers while having the opportunity to receive an associate's degree in 38 weeks from GBC. Graduates from the welding program will have the skills to create new products, repair existing products, and work in the mining, manufacturing, construction, transportation, and agricultural industries. Some concepts covered in the diesel program are Introduction to Heavy Equipment Technology, Electrical Electronic Theory, Systems Troubleshooting, Heavy Equipment Repair, along with Maintenance and Repair of Hydraulic Systems. Students from the Electrical Systems Technology program have the skills to install, maintain, troubleshoot, repair, and replace high technical electrical systems and controls. The Electrical System Technology program is a prereq to the Instrumentation program. Graduates from the Instrumentation program are on the cutting edge of technology using computers and intelligent controllers. Blueprint reading, mechanical power transmissions, fluid power, metallurgy, electrical theory, boiler operations, and pump maintenance are a few of the study areas covered in the Industrial Millwright Technology program. The application is located at gbcnv.edu/MTC. Applicants must complete the CTE MTC application, and the required documents for that application are a letter of interest, resume, transcripts, placement test scores, and a project portfolio is optional. Applicants also must complete the GBC General Admissions application. Anyone can apply, so go ahead and visit gbcnv.edu/MTC to start your future. The MTC application deadline is March 15th. To stay up to date about MTC events and workshops, please scan the QR code.